Blue viewers, we'll be going over natural gas, and this video will be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We remain in negative MACD and we're still nearing oversold levels with the RSI. As we extend out to the 4 hour chart, we see the same action, remaining in negative MACD and seeing slight signs of it converging, and we remain at oversold levels with the RSI. With the daily chart, we continue to remain in negative MACD and we have yet to reach to oversold conditions with the daily RSI. We are currently making lower lows, and as of now we are in a downward trend as indicated from the start back in October 30th all the way to now. As for support, we do have the 150-day moving average, this red line, at the price of $2.24 acting as our next immediate support. And as for resistance, that'll be where we have the 9-day moving average, this blue line, at the price of $2.73. If we were to test resistance, that price movement to the upside is roughly around 12.6%, and to test support, that is around 7 or let's say 8% to the downside. As for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading UNG, and my position size will be less than 1% of my portfolio, and my long entry is at $8.44, which is this range here, lower than what we have the lows as of now. And as for the sell target, that's $9.76, and my stop loss is at $8.01. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $10.12, and that is this range here. My sell target's at $8.92, and my stop loss is at $10.51. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 43% chance for it to climb between 0 to 9%, and a 14% chance for it to climb between 9% to 18%. As for downside, we have a 29% chance to fall between 0 to negative 9%, and for the extreme case to the downside, a 14% to fall between negative 9% to negative 18%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.